Hey guys, so if you want to know how I achieve this gorgeous look, do tune in and keep on watching. Don't forget to hit the subscription button as well as that notification bell to be notified whenever I load a new video. We've got loads of content coming up, so do stay tuned in. I will see you at the start of this gorgeous look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I finally made it home to East London, and I just wanted to do a makeup revolution look today. Everything on the video would be from Makeup Revolution. If not, because I do know that I forgot some products back in Durban, I will use whatever that I have, but as I said, most of them would be Makeup Revolution. I wanted to show you guys what I got. I got tons and tons of makeup from Makeup Revolution. I got these palettes. There's one, two, three. Only 750 rand. Everything that I'll be showing you I got for 750 rand, and that is a highlighter palette and another highlighter palette. I also got this liquid highlighter. How cute is this packaging, guys? Makeup Revolution is really changing the game, and this is a baking oil you use before your makeup application. And also got this one, which I'm very excited about. This is the one I'll be using today, to use this one for today. So that's how the colors look. So beautiful. This is the what do you call this palette? This palette alone sells for 400 alone, and I got it together with everything else that I showed you and what I'm still going to show you for only 750. I also got lipsticks from them. Most of them are in the color or the spectrum of nude colors. I love this, and they're going to be so beautiful once I apply them. As you can see, they're all sealed, but as I said, the packaging, they have this really lovely rose gold on almost all their packaging. In fact, all their packaging, which really gives that nice chic, expensive look to their makeup. Their makeup, of course, is also good quality with this baking powder. Beautiful, so gorgeous. It's in translucent and a felt tip pen eyeliner, and many other things that I can't find right now. Start with the cut crease canvas. It's in the color Halo, and I'll be using this as my eyeshadow base because it is white and it really makes your colors pop even brighter. That's how it looks. And on camera, just to save time, I'm just gonna show you one side of this eyeshadow and then proceed offline so that I don't waste time. I do have somewhere to be. I'm using my brush to blend this in. That is irreplaceable over there. Okay, it's falling, but all right. And I said Jet Setter, right? There's Jet Setter over there. It's a deep brown shade, and Try Me is this orange shade over here. So I just want to pop this here. I hope you guys can see that. Let me come closer. Over there. And the pigmentation is to die for. To blend that out, I'm gonna go with Try Me. That is the orange shade that I showed you guys, and let's pop that on top and on this Jet Setter. As I said, this look is quite random. I didn't plan for it. I was just excited to to try out this palette. Alright, for the main color on my lid, I am going to be using Straw AF over there for the main color on my lid, which is that green shade. I said I did not plan, and I hate not planning my makeup because it just doesn't come out as I hoped. But this is super cute. Do this other side offline, and I'll be back with you guys for the rest of the products that I'll be using today. I'll see you in a bit. Look what we have so far. I'm going in with the baking oil to prepare my face for the foundation. Drop it on your face. It smells so nice, like lovely, lovely, love. Right, for foundation, I'm going in with Fast Base sticks in the color F13 and F15. I'll be using both of them in conjunction with one another because F13 is a bit too light for my skin and F15 is too dark. To just get the color, I mix both of them on my wrist area. So on this mixture, I'm just gonna go in with my brush, get some of that product, and then apply on my face. I feel this is the best way to apply your stick foundation. It really allows you to have a smooth base on your face without having to blend for 100 hours, you know. So yeah, so I'm gonna go cheat a little bit, and I'll be using the LA Go Pro Conceal color Fawn. Let's blend this out. I'm going using the brush. So I love using a brush to do your makeup when you're in a hurry, because in all honesty, life is too short to worry about most things outside anyway, so I don't need it. For setting, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Banana Dip to set my concealer in place. You've seen this before, but I feel like I want to see how it complements the rest of their products. They have 15 shades and I am highly recommending it. Just setting my face. Right, so because I broke it. Okay, I broke a shade similar to this one on the Makeup Revolution contour palette, so I had to leave it behind, and I'll fix it when I get home, when I get back to Durban. So I'll be using this one just to give myself a slight contour on my face. Just have fun with your makeup, guys. It's really a fun thing to do, you know. Don't be serious doing this thing, because in all honesty, you're supposed to enjoy it. Alrighty, and then let me contour my nose. You know that I don't go hard with the nose contour because I don't want to change my shade, just to highlight on my nose a little bit. Just a slight contour. I am the laziest person to wash brushes, like my tools, my makeup tools. How often do you wash your brushes? I am so lazy. I think I deserve new sets of brushes, like for every makeup look that I'm going to do, because wow, that's a job and a half. For highlighter and blush, I'm gonna go into this palette. Guess that's the blush, but it's a shimmer blush, and looks like the rest of them are highlighters. Hope you can see that. So I'm gonna use the darkest shade they have on here as my highlight. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with that using a fan brush with this shade over here, and then apply that. It's already too much in real life. I really don't like much of highlight on my face, which is why I wanted to use the other one, but we forgot. To finish off the eye look, I am going to go back into the Patricia Bright palette. Look at how gorgeous that is. Woo, guys, Makeup Revolution is doing the most. I'm lining my lips with a brown lip liner. Okay, going in with this lipstick that I've chosen, the color Fudge by Makeup Revolution. Oh, look at that color. Look at Fudge, guys. Wow. Wow. It's a chocolatey brown. It looks like a milk chocolate. Nourishing on the lips. Feels like a lip balm on your lips. Beautiful. But it is also matte, so it's not matte drying, but wow, I'm impressed. Love. So let me apply my mascara, and I'll be right back with a full look for you guys. I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, and that is the final look using, okay, I would say 70% of Makeup Revolution products. I promise to bring back, you know, more. Right. I highly recommend this product, this brand. One, it is super affordable for anyone to be able to buy it. Number two, the quality is bomb. It doesn't feel like it's a cheap quality, yet it is so affordable. As I showed you guys, I got everything for 750 rand. Yes, they were on special, but if you go onto their site, you'll be able to see that they are quite reasonable, you know, and I've taken a great liking to their products, and I feel like They are so underrated here in South Africa. But anyway, do give them a try and let me know which products you like, which are your favorite. I will be using more of their products on my my channel for you guys to experience and see. The review was my favorite because I got to use all of my money's worth, and as you can see, we look good, we are good, you know, with this full face revolution makeup. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do let me know down below on any other brands you want to see me do a full face off. And yeah, happy comments are welcomed, love comments are also welcome. I thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on my next video.